Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Save as PDF. Open the file that you want to save as a PDF, and then tap File on your tablet or tap the file icon. On your phone, on the File menu, tap Print. If not already selected, tap Microsoft Print to PDF on your tablet or tap PDF on your phone. Tap Print. On your tablet, the Save Output as page appears.
Let's help you make your mark.
Open Acrobat and choose Tools, Create PDF. Select the file type you want to create a PDF from, single file, multiple files, scan, or other option. Click Create or Next depending on the file type. Follow the prompts to convert to PDF and save to your desired location.
Let's help you make your mark.
Create a file. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides app. In the bottom right, tap Create. Choose whether to use a template or create a new file. The app will open a new file.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to create fillable PDF files. Open Acrobat, click on the Tools tab and select Prepare Form. Select a file or scan a document. Acrobat will automatically analyze your document and add form fields. Add new form fields. Use the top toolbar and adjust the layout using tools in the right pane. Save your fillable PDF.
Take our lead.
Step 1. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the app and then click on Print. Step 2. The Save as PDF option will show up in the top left corner if you don't have a printer connected to your phone. If you do, just tap on the connected printer and choose Save as PDF from the drop-down menu. 1 May 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to create PDF files. Open Acrobat and choose Tools, Create PDF. Select the file type you want to create a PDF from, single file, multiple files, scan, or other option. Click Create or Next depending on the file type. Follow the prompts to convert to PDF and save to your desired location.
Take our lead.
Convert JPG to PDF on your Android. Once the app is installed, open it from the main screen, tap the plus icon at the bottom select the JPG file that you want to convert. After making your selection, tap the PDF icon on the top right enter the PDF details tap OK. Your new PDF file will be saved on the phone. 13 June 2020.
Take our lead.
How to convert JPG to PDF for Android. Go to the Specialized JPG to PDF tool. Upload a JPG from your Android. You can also take a fresh photo. Wait for the file to save as PDF. Download it back to your Android, or export the PDF to Google Drive or Dropbox. 30th of August 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.